Part 39. Setting up our rafters. So I went 6 inches from the side here. And then I cheated. Took a leveled my bubble up to the corner, and then put a line on there, and then went straight up on the side of the chicken coop wall, put a line there, and then I put a line on this side, and then I put a level line across here to connect the dots. And then I did the same thing up here, and then the same thing on the end to mark the end for level. And then I moved it in just a little bit, only because not every single 8-foot board is exactly the same length. So this might happen to be a little bit short one, so I fixed it ahead of time. So we're gonna figure out what angle this is on the saw, and we're gonna cut everything in that same angle, and then we can start our notches and finish this off with a handsaw or jigsaw or whatever. And then once we have one rafter cut, then this becomes our pattern, and we'll cut all our other rafters exactly the same off of that pattern, and then set those aside until we're ready. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is start to fill these in, and I can just set a board on there, hold it up against the backside, draw across there, and then that'll get my height, and I can start putting these little cripples in here, and then I can cut the plywood out to go on the back side of this, and then I can staple the plywood on the top and to these cripples, but I don't want to staple it on this bottom part yet. I don't want to attach that because I'm still going to need to be able to remove this so that I can put it on a trailer and ship it. So that's the next step.